Premium and luxuryயான apartment. அதுவும் சிட்டிக்குள்ளேயே. பில்டிங்கோட ஒவ்வொரு இன்ச்லயும் ராயல் டச் இருக்கு. Welcome to ATH Palladium by Asset Tree Homes. Most elite zone. Defense Colony, Ekkatuthangal. A rare blend of peace, privacy and perfect city access. A statement of luxury and celebration of royal lifestyle. Every 4 BHK apartment comes with road-facing entrance and 2 dedicated car parking. Totally 10 units of 3 and 4 BHK royal residencies. 3 BHK starting from rupees 2 crores and 33 lakhs. 4 BHK starting from rupees 3 crores and 33 lakhs. Walk to the Ekkatuthangal metro station, just a few minutes from Olympia Tech Park, Guindy Industrial Estate, and reach Chennai Airport in just 15 minutes. And for your regal lifestyle, CCTV surveillance, private car parking, luxury fitness studio, skyline rooftop sit-out, barbecue on social deck, EV charging point, all thoughtfully designed for the connoisseur in you. ATH Palladium, Asset Tree Homes. For booking, call 89398 56789.